Hello, in front of me I've got iPad 11th inch 4th generation. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter Face ID and passcode. Confirm with your current passcode. And now you can set up new Face ID by selecting iPad Unlock. Let me just reset my face and select Setup Face ID. Now you have to scan your face in the front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Now, let's go to Passcode, change passcode, and now you can select between custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, and 4-digit numeric code. Let's start with custom alphanumeric code. And let's use it to unlock the tab. Now, let's select custom numeric code, and in the end, let's set up 4-digit numeric code. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.